A judge has thrown out Donald Trump's lawsuit against the New York Times and his own niece, Mary Trump. This one I know many of you have been following and some of you may have forgotten about. This was the big lawsuit where Trump was going to really take them to task. A judge has thrown the lawsuit out and is ordering Trump to pay everybody else's legal fees. Isn't this the best? The Daily Beast reporting. Judge tosses Trump's lawsuit against New York Times, orders him to pay all legal fees. Trump sued the paper along with his niece, Mary, alleging an insidious plot to grab his tax records and publish them in a Pulitzer-winning report. The judge has tossed out the lawsuit and ordered him to pay attorney's fees, legal expenses, and associated costs. This does go back to 2021 when Trump filed the lawsuit, saying that the New York Times, 3 of its reporters, and his own niece, Mary Trump, engaged in an insidious plot to obtain his private records for a Pulitzer-winning story about his tax issues. When the court tossed out Trump's claims against the newspaper and its reporters, the claims, while the court tossed out those claims, the claims against the ex-president's niece have yet to be ruled upon. This is New York Supreme Court Justice Robert Reed, who said that the defendants fail as a matter of constitutional law, and added that Trump has failed to demonstrate any tortious interference with the Times when the Times provided his niece with a burner phone to communicate about the records. So another instance of major winning by Trump, as you can see. Trump's history with lawsuits is really, really tough. Trump paid $25 million for his scam, Trump University. You may recall that. Trump had to pay back $2 million for misusing, I call it stealing from charity, but misusing charity money. Trump had to pay a $10 million fine for laundering money for an extended period of time through his Trump Taj Mahal casino that went bankrupt. And so his history with lawsuits is not very good. As far as paying the legal fees here, we all know what the most likely attack will be from Trump, or the tactic, better said. He won't pay the fees. He will then get sued over unpaid fees. He'll end up owing more than if he had just paid the fees to begin with. But if and when he ultimately does pay the fees, it won't be with his money. It'll once again will be with donated money or whatever the case may be. And then the entire thing will cycle once again. We've become very accustomed to this. I don't expect it to change anytime soon. Did you know that half of Americans are deficient in vitamins A and C, as well as magnesium? If you keep your diet nutritionally balanced all the time, you can get everything you need, but half of Americans don't, and it can really impact how you feel. Our sponsor, Athletic Greens, makes it super easy. I mix 1 scoop of AG1 from Athletic Greens into water. It tastes great. I get all of the high quality vitamins and minerals I need from whole food sourced ingredients. I don't have to fumble around with bottles, capsules, individual vitamins, and things like that. I just don't have the time. You should see what's going on at my house. AG1 simplifies everything. I'm covering my nutritional bases for the entire day. Super easy to stick to as well, and dramatically more cost effective than getting all of these different vitamin supplements. Go to athleticgreens.com/Pacman for a free year supply of vitamin D. I've talked about vitamin D many times, plus 5 free AG1 travel packs. The link is down below.